Okay, we ran some tests on Petron Petrotac EP Premium 10B, and we got a 620 kilogram weld point, and I think it was 0.65 millimeter wear scar, and very low temperature pumpability, very, very low. So the question then becomes, how can you have a 50,000 centistoke oil at 40 degrees C in your grease and still have it pumpable at -40? So we did some work on it. We found that there is no solvent in this product. The flash point was 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so there's no solvent, although the technical data sheet talks about it, so-called diluent. We'll talk about that in a minute. Okay, these filters here contain everything other than fluids. There are 4 of them. There's one. This is all the solid material, graphite, soap. There's 2, 3, 4. Not much in that one. So that's all the solid stuff, the non-fluid stuff, in 3.5 ounces, approximately 100 grams. And this is the fluid that was extracted. I'm going to take a sniff of it. The extraction was done by hexane. There's no smell of hexane off this. So this is all the fluids that were in that stuff over there. Now, this is supposed to be based on, before dilution, material with 50,000 centistokes at 40, at least 50,000. And there's no way that that's anywhere close. That'd be like asphalt. So here's what we believe is happening. We believe that there is some 50,000 centistoke oil in this grease, but not very much, just a few percent, if that. Then they put in oils, not solvents, as diluents, because if it was solvents, we'd be seeing the flash point much lower. They cut it back with oils, add the thickener, EP, graphite, everything else that they need, and they make themselves a good, pumpable, open gear lubricant. But this thing of 50,000 centistokes is a smokescreen. There's very, very little of that material in the product. They say 50,000 centistokes before dilution. Well, the dilution occurs with oil, and the end result is this, a little under 300 centistokes at 40. Now, just to make sure that we're on track, and just to make sure that we're prepared to swear in a court of law that this is the case, we had the lab do it again. So the extraction of the fluid was done a total of 3 times. And these 2 here represent same work as you just saw, done 2 different ways. There's one. Okay, again, it's about 300 centistokes at 40. There's the other. Again, way less than 50,000 centistokes. So we've just done it 3 times and got the same results. And you might say, well, where did this high viscosity stuff go? Well, it's either in this jar here, it's either in here, or it's in these filters. There's no place else for it to go except into thin air. So conclusion, again, just to clarify, is very, very little 50,000 centistoke oil or fluid in this open gear lubricant.